Here we are at Costco and they got a bunch of toys here, folks. Toys galore. Good ones. High dollar price, but nice toys. This basketball hoop. I can't even find the price on this thing. That sure is cool. We got axe throwing. I don't know if you want to teach your kids to throw an axe for $69.99, but if you're into axe throwing, yeah. Got this dartboard here for $119.99, and it's got them safety tips, the plastic tips, so that's pretty safe. Got a little scooter bucket here. Call it a bumper car. Kid can get in that and just tear it up all day long. Got cool cars. We got all kinds of stuff here. Remote controls, Pokemon, Pokeballs, a beat board. I don't even know what the heck that is. It's a beat board game. You got Laser X. Those are fun. Kids love that. Monster truck. And then don't forget the girls now. They got a lot of stuff in here. Barbie. Little fluffy looking things there. And Barbies. All different types of toys. So check it out at Costco, folks.